Hello everybody. Let's start with English for Aviation. Unit 6. Contact and approach. Read the pilot to passenger announcement. It means when the pilot is talking to the passengers. Rate them according to your preference. If 1 is the best and 3 is the worst. Give reason for your choice and compare them with a partner. There are 3 exchanges here. The pilot is talking to the passengers. After reading them, we should say about are they talking about local information, technical information, courtesy? Courtesy means politeness. Are they clear? They have clarity? Are they funny? They have a sense of humor or not? From the flight deck, we are inbound on long final, approximately 2 minutes from our ETA of 174 2 hours local. Weather conditions good, with scattered clouds at 5000 feet prepared for landing. I guess he's giving he didn't have humor. It was clear, so it had clarity. It was very polite. It had a courtesy. And about technical information, actually there was, let me see, yeah, but actually it was about the weather condition and time, so it was not somehow technical information. And jargon mean expressions of a special field of study. They are called jargons. اصطلاحاتی که مثلا در زبان در رشته خلبانی یا مثلا در رشته وکالت در هر رشته که استفاده بشه به اون اصطلاحات خاص هر رشته میگن jargon. So we didn't have any special kind of jargon in this part. Actually we had information about local information. We had time. You see, local hour, he's talking about the time information. So we had this one too, courtesy and clarity. We didn't have technical information and humor in this part. Let's go to the second exchange. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So up to here, it's based on courtesy. It's very polite. This is the first officer. He introduces himself. We'll be landing in Shanghai in approximately 20 minutes. The temperature in Shanghai is a warm 28 degrees and the local time is now 5:20 in the evening. We hope you enjoyed your flight. He was talking about the temperature. It means the local weather and actually the time. Local information, he was really polite and clear. The information was completely clear. So in this part we didn't have technical information and humor. Let's go for the third part. Hi there, Captain here. In fact, we are getting ready to land just now. You see, he talks informally. He doesn't talk formally. We'll be down on that ground in a short while. Oh my god. So he's talking in a funny way. It's a great day down there, just a short of the day I like. I love the food here too. So he's so funny, a lot better than we had on this flight. Hey, we'll see you on the ground. Such a crazy pilot. Okay, so he didn't talk about the local information. He didn't use the technical information or the use of jargon. He actually it was polite, but it was informal. So we can have courtesy, clarity. To me, it was not clear. You see, the information that I needed was not included in this part. In both the parts, we had information about weather and time, but in the third one, actually, he didn't give clear information about the landing and the time. So it was not clear. It was based on a sense of humor. This one is right. Let's go. Listen and answer the questions. We are going to listen to some exchanges. After listening to the exchanges, we are going to answer the questions of part 1. Let's listen together. Let me bring it to you.
Exercise 1, Part 1. Big B276 Wessex approach, joining the hold, maintaining 8,000 feet. 276, maintain 8,000 feet. We are experiencing some delays here. What's the problem, 276? 276, I'm sorry, sir. We had delays earlier today. We had some jet blast damage just behind the threshold. It took a long time to clear it all. That's why everyone's backed up. So how long can I expect to wait? I need to get down before 2300, don't I? Indeed you do, sir. Noise abatement regulations are very strict here. At the moment it's a bit difficult to say. Delays will be about half an hour at least.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go to the first question. What is the situation in flight 276? Actually, they are approaching. The flight 276 has joined the hold at Wex's airport, and look at here. We are experiencing some delays here. You see, the situation is that they have some delays. And what caused the problem at the airport in the air? Let's listen again.
Unit 6, Exercise 1, Part 1. Big B276 Wessex approach, joining the hold, maintaining 8,000 feet. 276, maintain 8,000 feet. We are experiencing some delays here.
So this is the problem, the situation, the problematic situation is that they have some delays. And what is the problem at the airport earlier in the air? Let's listen.
What's the problem, 276? 276, I'm sorry, sir. We had delays earlier today. We had some jet blast damage just behind the threshold.
You see, we had jet blast damage. This is the problem. And number 2, when does 276 need to land? Let's go.
A long time to clear it all. That's why everyone's backed up. So how long can I expect to wait? I need to get down before 2300 then.
So, you see, when does 276 need to land? Before how long? He asked about the time. Before 2300. Okay, so this is the time in order to they need to land. And what is the reason for landing time? Let's go.
Indeed you do, sir. Noise abatement regulations are very strict here at the moment.
Noise abatement regulations. You see, this is the problem. What is the reason? The reason for landing time is this.
It's a bit difficult to say. Delays will be about half an hour at least.
Okay, and what is the expected delay? Delay will be about half an hour at least. Listen.
At the moment it's a bit difficult to say. Delays will be about half an hour at least.
So these were the problems in this part. Let's go to part 2. We're going to listen to this part and answering to questions of part 2. How long does approach say 273 will need to wait? Okay, and what flight change does 276 make? Let's listen.
Part 2. Wessex approach, Big B276. Can you give me an update? I think you may be waiting quite a while. I'll get back to you shortly. You can now descend in the hole to 6,000 feet. Report passing 7,000. And if you could reduce to 180, that'd be good. Just for a bit of spacing from the one ahead of you. Roger, out of 8,000 feet for 6,000 feet. 276, Big B276. Can you give me an update? I think you may be waiting quite a while.
Okay, how long does approach say 276 will need to wait? Quite a while. A little time, see, quite a while.
I'll get back to you shortly. You can now descend in the hole to 6,000 feet. Report passing 7,000. And if you could reduce to 180, that'd be good. Just for a bit of spacing from the one ahead of you.
Okay, what flight level change does 276 make? Descend to 600 feet. This is the change, actually. Let's go.
Roger, out of 8,000 feet for 6,000 feet. 276.
Let's go to three. Look at this part, there are some questions. Part 3, what does ATC instruct 276 to do? Okay, and why can't 276? Yeah, and why can't 276 land at Wexas? Let's listen.
Part 3. Big B276, Wessex approach. I'm sorry, sir, but I'm going to have to divert you to Exeter.
Okay, divert to it means change. You should change to Exeter. So, what does ATC instruct? You said change it.
There isn't time to get you on the ground before the night noise curfew takes effect. Climb immediately to 9,000 feet heading 1 flight.
So, what does ATC instruct 276 to do?
Roger, ask 8,000 feet for 6,000. Big B276, Wessex approach. I'm sorry, sir, but I'm going to have to divert you to Exeter. There isn't time to get you on the ground before the night noise curfew takes effect.
So he says you should divert to Exeter. He instructs to change it. He asked him to change it. And why can't 276 land at Wexas? You see, night noise curfew takes effect. What's this now?
Climb immediately to 9,000 feet heading 1 flight. 1,000 feet. Sorry, sir, but I'm going to have to divert you to Exeter. There isn't time to get you on the ground before the night noise curfew takes effect. Climb immediately to 9,000 feet heading 1 flight.
So, you see, this was the reason that why he can't land. Okay, let's go to this part. So there are two important parts here. First, let's go to cover this box, talking about time. When the past. You see, when something has passed, we can use just now. Something has finished just now. I mean, a few minutes ago, a while ago, this morning, yesterday, last week, a long time ago, ages ago. It means a long time ago. Very, very long time ago. Too much time ago. So we use ages ago. When we are talking about past time, we use these expressions. And while we are talking about the future, we can use immediately. You see, I'm going to do it immediately. You see, it means I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to cover it. Shortly, soon, it means I'm going to do it. Shortly, I'm going to do it soon. In a few minutes, it means I'm going to do it in 1, 2, or 3 minutes from now. A while. In a future hour, in a few hours, tomorrow, next week, a long time from now, and ages from now. It means I'm not going to do it just right now. I'm going to do it after a long time, ages from now, a long time. They're singing. And when we use how long, we talk about duration. Duration means the time that you spend in order to do something. مدت زمانی که دارید یک کاری فعالیتی انجام میدید. در امتداد اون زمان دارید صحبت میکنید. A few seconds, not a long, a few minutes, a couple of hours, many hours. A couple of hours means many hours. Quite a while, you see, a long time, days and ages. You see, when we use them, it means that we are talking about the duration of something, that some activities. We do not talk about the past or the future. We talk about the activity itself while you are doing it. در مورد خود همون فعالیت داریم صحبت می‌کنیم. در عین اینکه اون فعالیت در حال انجام duration شده دیگه. مثلا میگه at any time we runway has some time in time. You see, 2 minutes I'm going to runway. The duration we're talking about this time. چه مدت طول میکشه روی رانوی باشه؟ لندینگتون چقدر طول میکشه؟ This is how long. دقیقا مدت اون اکتیویتی فعالیتی که داریم میگیم داریم صحبت میکنیم. So we can use this expression in order to mention duration or how long something has happened. Let's go to this part. Part 2, read the sentence from the exchange order talking about when or how long. You see, I told you when we are talking about when something has happened, it's about the past time. We can use just now, a few minutes. You see, these are the expressions that show and help us to think about the past time. But while we are using, you see, we should use how long. It means the duration of something. So the activity which is going to be done. See, we are in the process of doing that activity. So we should use how long. Let's go. Number one, when had delays earlier today. You see, when we use tense جمله رو نگاه زمان جملهش رو نگاه کنید. had simple past میگه کی دیلی داشته میگه we had earlier today. اینجا نگاه کنید I guess I can find it. اما داره میگه مثلا صبح امروز یه همچین دیلی رو داشتیم. we had simple past داره صحبت میکنه. When we use about simple past, you see, the past tense, we should use when. It took a long time to clear it all. A long time. A long time. When we talk about a long time, it means we are talking about the duration of something. So we should use how long is related to this one. So, how long can I expect to wait? Exactly, he says how long. You see, because چون فرآیند ثبت کردن منتظر موندن طول میکشه دیگه. So we should use how long. Duration اون استمرار کار رو داره نگاه تاکید میکنه. We should use how long. So it took a long time to clear it all. It took a long time to clear it all. Again, we have how long. We have a long time. It's a long time again. We should use how long. I need to get down before 2300, don't I? I need to get down. You see, when we are talking about exact time, we can use when. داره زمان ازش میپرسه. پس وقتی زمان رو دقیقا میپرسه, we should use when. Delays will be about half an hour at least. Half an hour you should wait. So we should use how long. میگه دیلی حداقل یک ساعت نیم ساعت زمان میبره. duration شده داره میگه. گفتم وقتی duration استفاده میکنی how long بهترین گزینه مناسب مربوط به اون هست. I'll get back to you shortly. Shortly. A few minutes while shortly ممكن لسه بود آخر shortly. Okay, I'll get back to you shortly. Soon I'm coming there. Actually, it's about the time. You see what is look at this part. We have one sign here. Will نشان دهنده چه زمانیه؟ نشان دهنده زمان آینده است. آینده هم اینجا توضیح دادم براتون. نگاه کنید گفته shortly. میگه خیلی زود میرسم بهتون. Shortly. When we have shortly, we're talking about future and we can easily use when. وقتی که داره در مورد زمان صحبت میکنه میگه من یکم زودتر میرسم. دقیقا داره در مورد زمان صحبت میکنه. گفتم اینجا میتونید از when برای past future استفاده کنید. Climb immediately to 900 feet. When we talk about future, we can easily understand because of this sign. داره در مورد immediately میگه immediately sign future هست. علامت future زمان آینده هست. پس به راحتی میتونیم از when استفاده. Let's go to number 3. Match each question with answer. When was the first? So there are some questions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to find answers in A, B, C, D, E, F, and match them. When was the flight due to arrive? When? You see, he talks about when. Be careful about this part. When was, so it should be past. زمانش نگاه کنید simple past دیگه از was استفاده کرده. من was over نشانه های زمان گذشته هستن. An hour ago. An hour ago, it's quite late. Ago, you're talking about past. An hour ago is related to number 1. How much longer will be holding? How much longer? For a few minutes or more? For a few minutes or more. Number 2 is related to D. Number 3. How long did you spend in Asia? How long? You see, you should show the duration. Look, duration. How long did you spend in Asia? About 2 months. How long? About 2 months. When will we arrive? When will we arrive? This is when, and this is the future tense. In about an hour. In about an hour. Number 4 and E match together. Number 5. When did you leave Tokyo? When did you leave? You see, this is past tense. Be careful. When did you leave Tokyo? So it should be simple past. We left ages ago. You see, left is past form of leave. Like we left ages ago. So when did you leave Tokyo? We can connect it to be. We left ages ago. And the last one, how long will be the block lodge? Take. Let me see. Number 6. How long will the backlog take to clear? Which one is left? The only one is left is this one. It might take over an hour, more than an hour. Over an hour, it means more than an hour. So let's go. We have done this part. Yeah, I found the answers here. Oh my god, I have done it for you. So let's read it. Let's see what do we have in the next page. Yes. Wait a minute. I should find something. We have done this part. We have done this part. Okay. So we read it. Answer the question. So I have did it for you. For example, when was the flight due to arrive? An hour ago. So it's quite late. How much longer will be holding? For a few minutes more. How long did you spend in Asia? About 2 months. When will we arrive? In about an hour. When did you leave Tokyo? We left ages ago. How long will the backlog take to clear? It might take over an hour. So, you can do it. Let's go to the next part. Work with a partner. Use ago to say when each weather condition happened. Use took or lasted to say the duration. It is now noon on Tuesday. You see, it is now noon on Tuesday. تایمی که بهمون داده داره میگه نون Tuesday هم هست. روزمون Tuesday. Use ago to say weather condition happen. از ago استفاده میکنم برای اون weather condition که اتفاق افتاده. Use took or lasted to say the duration. اگر خواستیم طول مدت چیزی رو بگیم یا اکتیویتی رو بگیم یا فعالیت رو بگیم از توک یا لستد استفاده کنیم. Let's go. Number 37.
Unit 6, Exercise 5.
No. Wait. Okay. Let me find it. Okay. So let me zoom out so that you can see this clearly. So imagine this is noon on Tuesday. Talk about your own future. What is your life? Okay, these are the possible answers. In your book, there were some possible answers. So it snowed last Friday. We are on noon on Tuesday. It snowed last Friday, 4 days ago. 4 days ago. You see, when we talk about something that's happened in the past, we use ago. چیزی که در گذشته اتفاق افتاده از ago استفاده میکنیم. It snowed last Friday ago. The snowstorm lasted from 1000 to 2400. Lasted from میگه snowstorm اون طوفان برفی از چه زمانی اتفاق افتاده بود؟ ساعت 10 تا 24 اتفاق افتاده بود. و این دیوریشن رو ما داریم نشون میدیم، میگیم زمان طول کشید از ساعت 10 تا 24. lasted for اگر خواستید دیوریشن رو اینجا نگاهید دیوریشن رو نشون بدید، گفتم یا از lasted مثل این استفاده کنید یا از took استفاده کنید. so this is about duration. داریم زمانش رو میگیم، زمانش بین ساعت 10 تا 24 بوده. so it lasted from 1000 to 2400. Now, Saturday, we're talking about this picture. They cleared the runway. Look at this picture. They cleared the runway early Saturday morning. On Saturday, it took 6 hours from 2:00 until 8:00. So, it took 6 hours. تمیز کردن یه فرآیندی که خیلی طول میکشه. رانوی شما میخواید تمیز کنید. پس it took duration رو برنشون بدیم. گفتم از took یا lasted استفاده میکنید. we use took. 6 ساعت طول کشید کل فرآیند. Let's go to the next picture. Sunday 6:00 until 8:30. So for this one, there was heavy fog. Look at the picture. Fog. 2 days ago. We are on Tuesday. خب اگه ما Tuesday باشیم 2 روز قبلش میشه Sunday دیگه. 2 days ago. Use ago when you want to talk about weather condition that happened. میگه اگه خواستین در مورد اون موقعیت آب و هوایی که گذشته استفاده کنید از ago استفاده کنید. ما همین کار انجام بدیم. There were heavy fog 2 days ago. It lasted for 2.5 hours. Look at here, 6 until 8:30. دیوریشنش کی بوده؟ اون پروسس اون پروسسی که اون مدت زمانی که بوده از ساعت 6 تا 8 و نیم بوده. 2 ساعت و نیم طول کشیده. It lasted. گفتم اینجا lasted or took برای نشون دادن دیوریشن استفاده میکنم. Next one, Monday. ما کجاییم؟ Tuesday. Noon on Tuesday. We are talking about Monday. اما تصویری که داریم روز Monday. خب Tuesday یه روز قبلش میشه Monday دیگه. It was sunny yesterday. The sunshine lasted from 11:45 to 16:00. Okay? ما Tuesday میگه روز قبلمون که Monday بوده هوا چجوری بوده؟ It was sunny yesterday. The sunshine lasted from داره میگه این نور تابش خورشید از ساعت 11:45 تا 16 طول کشیده. گفتم طول کشیدن duration رو با چی میگیم؟ took یا lasted. It lasted for the sunshine lasted from 11:45 to 16:00. Let's go to this part. This is the last one. We are on Tuesday and the picture is about Tuesday too. There was a thunderstorm this morning. اوکی ما الان نون توزدی. تصویر مال که یه مال صبح morning توزدی. پس داریم در زمان گذشته صحبت میکنیم. It was a thunderstorm this morning. صبح بوده. It lasted for 4 hours. Look at here. The thunderstorm started at 8:00 up to 12:00. So it lasted. گفتم اگه duration خواستید بگید thunderstorm چقدر طول کشیده؟ اصلا 8 تا 12 طول کشیده دیگه. Lasted or took lasted for 4 hours. These are the possible answers that you can say for this part. Okay. I guess that's enough for this session. But do the practices, read the answers, and send your voice and pictures. Have a nice time and Let's say goodbye. Bye bye.